How are you guys doing today? I feel blessed. God is great. This very moment reminds me of my beautiful wife because today is her birthday. She was supposed to be 31 years old today, and that's our beautiful daughter.
Let me show you my items I got from my grandma when she first came here. I got some new stuff. Got some new brushes. I don't know if you can see that.
What else did you get from grandma?
This table. There it is. Got some. I know you can't see it, but I really had to use it.
Got some makeup. She got some makeup from her grandma. Yeah, we're going to the beach today, and then we're going for a boat cruise. This was the same beach and the same boat cruise that we went to when she turned 29. Yeah, like I told you.
When was her last birthday when she turned 30?
Last year, June 20th. So, yeah. We're gonna go enjoy the beach. We're gonna go enjoy the boat cruise. And we're gonna say, we love you, my beautiful, beautiful angel. Thank you so much for being a part of my life. Thank you for crossing my path in this world. And your daughter is right here doing her makeup. Hey, we're gonna go. God is great. And yeah, I cleaned up my hair. I think I look handsome, like my wife would say. I look handsome.
Daddy, I told you when Carrie was here, you're the most handsomest dad than any other man.
There you have it. Hey. All right. You guys stay blessed. God is great. No matter what you're going through, put a smile on your face. No matter what you're going through, put a smile on your face. That's the thing. When you are happy, when you're fulfilled, when you feel the hope and gratitude in your heart, express it. Go outside. Put a smile on your face. Don't let anybody bring you down with negativity, with any of their pessimistic behavior. Don't let that happen to you. Be brave, and God is your strength. All right? All right, we're here. We're on our way to the beach. I got the beautiful, delectable Brooklyn. This is my beautiful angel in heaven's younger sister, the last child actually. And that is Precious, aka
Auntie Beyonce,
aka
Fatty Bread,
aka
Auntie Fatty Bread, or Miss Auntie Fatty Bread.
And this is what is me?
Me.
Okay, well, you know her, Bloom. And we got Grandma and Auntie Angel, aka Auntie Casina, aka what else? Well, she's gonna introduce herself when we get to the beach. Okay, Angelica. All right. Anyway, you guys were on our way, but God is great. All right. See you at the beach. Look at the girls. Uh-oh. Look at Bloomy girl. Look at Auntie Fatty. Uh-oh. And this is Auntie Berkey. No 360? Uh-oh.
You got yourself a little bit.
Booba, you gonna do a 360?
I did my 360.
Bloomy, what's your 360?
360. Turn around, full circle. 360. You gotta turn around a circle.
I do
Oh, she must not want it. A 180?
Okay, do a 180.
Oh, I forgot to list the one.
Are you gonna do a 180 so we can get it?
I forgot the 180.
Go around.
Turn around a circle.
Yeah. All right. All right. Where's the pose at? Okay.
I don't know if I can hold this much longer.
Oh, too weak.
All righty.
I'm weak, Gloomy.
All right, let's go.
Start running. Let's hear it.
Okay, Destiny's Child.
Right. I'm Beyonce, of course.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. All right, I'm gonna get myself a hat because it's sunny and I don't want my head to fry, okay?
Okay.
So, the girls, are you gonna
I don't
choose?
wanna have
Are you gonna choose?
Not those hats.
No, those hats. I believe Ricky.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
You don't know about that?
Protect your face though.
Huh?
The summer hat.
So what kind of hat are we looking for?
Where are the other hats?
You just have to look at the signs.
Right, the sign.
2 and 2, 2, true.
So I don't want a baseball hat though. Like I want a hat that goes around my head.
Like that one?
Yeah, but that looks like a rancher's hat.
Yeah, more masculine.
Which one of them?
I think them hats over there.
Where?
Yeah, I think those probably the only hats.
That's the only one they have?
Yeah, they might be. Sure. The ones you looking for. Yeah, like if they are the only hats, first get the green one. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, find it, man.
Over here. Where we just
Then they got more hats.
those are baseball.
Baseball. So what this?
The green one doesn't.
Which one? That one?
Yeah.
It can cover your head, but I think that's more height.
It is more hiking than this.
But it's just nature, so the beach is nature, it's part of nature, so we should get a hiking hat.
Oh, excuse me, Boomy.
How did I do
The
that?
strong one's cute too, though. First, there we go. The strong one's cute too, though. I feel like that.
Here is
Oh yeah, wait. I like that one too. Yeah, the strong one is where it's
Ooh,
at.
I like that. I like that one. I like that one.
Y'all like this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's the beach anyway, so.
So yeah, we should wear that one because we're gonna go hiking.
Oh.
This hat is different.
Just a tiny.
So we're good with this?
Yeah. Yeah, that one's.
Yeah, let's go to the beach now.
Okay, we're gonna buy this one. All right. See you guys on the beach. Okay, mama. Mama, you see our makeup? You see our makeup? Look at me. I don't know what she got going. Okay. Okay. Hey, 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 hey,
Yeah, what did you tell me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Oh,
Welcome back. We are at the beach right now. Tybee Island Beach. I got Bricky here, and I got the goons back there. It is raining for some reason, I don't know why, but we're still gonna have a good time. We're celebrating our beautiful angel in heaven. Today is her 31st birthday, and we're having a good time. Okay, and God is great. That's all I know. God is great. Everybody's out here having a good time. Everybody's out here having a good time.
It will look like it's raining.
Yeah. That's my beautiful little girl. She was gonna make a sand castle. Okay, boo boo. You having a good time, boo boo?
Yeah. Not with this rain now.
No, with this rain? You don't want the rain?
Like this is like rain, go away, now again another time. Your faces.
Rain, go away, come again another day. Little children wanna play. Rain, go away, come again another day. Little children wanna play. Rain, go away, come again another day. Little children wanna play. Do it this way.
This was
Hold on. All right, come here. I'm out.
Use my front. I said use my front.
Where you going, Blue?
what?
Where you going?
I'm going to get some water.
The water's gonna come to you. It's gonna come. You see? Get water. What you looking for, gold? All right, we are at the beach, Tybee Island Beach. We do this every year. I don't know if you can hear me over this, but you know, I just want to say I'm grateful to be here. I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful to be celebrating my late wife's 31st birthday. This is where we celebrated our 29th birthday, and this is what we do every year. I got my little girl, I got her sister, my late wife's sister, I got my late wife's sister, I got my daughter, and I got Fatty Bread in Brooklyn over there, and I got Grandma over there, and everybody's right here having a good time. Yeah. Uh-oh, Beyonce.
I need to get closer. I'm not going.
Okay. Beyonce. Beyonce.
What? Oh, that?
Woo! Oh, I didn't know you were there.
Go with me. Go with me.
The gang is right here. This is the gang right here. The gang. Gang. That's the gang right here. That's the baby of the house. The green one is the eldest. The one on yellow is the second to the eldest. Yeah. Down here. That's Grandma over there doing her thing, chilling. She got a little Bloom over there too. And we got the kids running in the water. We got them running in the water. And we just having a good time. Hey. Uh-oh.
Okay, let's go over there. I'm with my hands on. Go over there with my camera. I'm with my hands on. You put it up.
Okay, Berkey broke. Okay, Berkey broke. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. That's right. That's right. That's right. Behind the scenes footage. Okay. All right. That's what we do.
I mean, under there. Like, we can,
We're making a sandcastle.
we can still go in the water under that thing.
No, you can't. They're not supposed to be in the water.
Why did you go in the water? Oh. Okay.
What are you making, baby?
We're making a sandcastle. You forgot to. You put too much. You put too much on there. You put too much. You gotta put a little bit there. And then when you're done, you got like now, finally.
be right back. I'll be right back. What are you doing, Bloom?
I'm having fun.
You're having fun? The gang, right? That's far enough.
I love you didn't like it already.
Yeah. That's a nice one. We're getting some shells. We're getting some shells right now. Digging the shells. Let me see that one. Let me see the shells you have.
We got a lot of shells, everyone. We got a lot of whole shells now.
You got shells? You got shells? Yeah, that's a good one too.
Yeah,
Whoa. That's a very good one. Huh? You want to go get dressed too?
That's why I didn't get wet.
She said, I'm not getting dressed. Sand. You think that's quicksand?
Yeah. I got you off. I want to collect some mud.
Whoa. Nice. That's a very good one. Don't hit me with that. Don't hit me with that. Yeah, you can leave it down there. Thank you.
Wow, they get good mud over here. I don't know why or how. They actually get good glue over here.
Really?
Yeah.
How does that feel?
It feels like quicksand.
Feels like quicksand.
Yeah.
You want to get more shells?
Yeah. First, I want to make some more mud. I love making mud. Mud is so much fun.
It's so much fun.
Even when you have snow.
Boo, you're gonna lose all that. I can hold it for you. That's what, so you can use both hands, okay?
Okay.
Let me hold that for you so you can use both hands. Good girl. All right.
Let's make some gooey mud. And all you need to add to make mud is dirt and water. You see how it's wet? Kind of squeezy. That is the feel of quicksand. Which is the mud. Good, quick muddy sand. What am I going to say? That's a lot of mud I made.
don't want to go get more shells?
Yeah, let's go get some more shells.
Alright.
Feels like quicksand. I gotta put my whole foot in it.
There's a lot of people at the beach today.
Let's buy some more shells.
Your hand is stuck.
Stop!
Oh no.
Help me!
Oh no, our hand is stuck. What do I do? Let me take it out. Oh no. My hand is stuck. Our hand is stuck. How can we get it out? We have to get it out. We're gonna have to wash your makeup off, okay? This thing right here, I don't know what it is.
I love this mug.
You do?
Yeah. What is actually going some water?
Oh, the dirt is dry, but the sand close to the water is muddy, right?
You can even make mud pie with mud. Get it? Mud pie.
I get it. Can you do 10 push-ups? Show me. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Good job, Boo. We got 20 more minutes. It's a beautiful feeling out here. Beautiful, beautiful feeling. I feel blessed. Just having a good time out here. Isn't this beautiful? It is sunny. I got my hat on. June 20th, my girl's birthday. She is definitely looking down now, smiling and saying, well, baby, you got it going. Yes, I got it going. I got this hat from Walmart. Y'all saw it. But yeah. Life is beautiful, I gotta tell you. Life is beautiful. Regardless of what you're going through, life is beautiful. Stay hopeful, stay blessed, put a smile on your face. God is great all the time. Look at that bird. My baby's over there, where's she at? Look at that. Oh, they're making mud sand. Uh-oh. Look at them. She's having too much fun. Look at her. So much fun. This is what I live for, man. Just to see her smile. That's her auntie right there. Where's she going? Yep, I got my baby up here. I got my sweet baby up here. I took this picture in 2022, 2023, Christmas. Can't remember. But she actually made me this chain. Isn't that just wild? That's sick, baby. So gorgeous. Alright. Yeah, man. Life is beautiful. Life is amazing. And I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I don't even know what to say. I just want to say beautiful things that I experienced with my wife. With an amazing 7 years. And now I got to live the rest of my life without her by my side. But one thing I do know is those 7 years were very, very important to me. Were very crucial to me, and I learned a lot from her, and I'm going to use that to train our daughter. I'm going to use that to build a life while she looks down on us and just keeps on smiling down and protecting us, if that is the case, you know. But I'm just happy that I can celebrate my beautiful angel on a day like this. And this is something we did in 2024 on her 29th birthday. And now we're doing it again on her 31st birthday. So we came here last year. Now we're here again this year. We're going to be here again next year. Every time I'm alive, every year that I leave, I'm going to always come here to celebrate her birthday. Even if she's not by my side, I know her energy passed through me in this world, so I'm always going to celebrate her, always going to cherish her and the memories that we shared 100%. And God is great. God is great. All right. Everybody's here. Everybody's here. Alright guys. I like my hat. Oh, this is clear. This is clear. Life can be You know, when you love someone so much and they pass away. Somebody was actually asking me about grief. Someone was asking me about grief, and they were like, how do you get over grief? And I told the person, I said, grief is not a universal thing. You have to get over your grief on your own time. It's not something that you put a timeline on and say, by next year, I'll be done grieving. By 2 years, I'll be done. No. In 2 years, I'll be done grieving. No. I shouldn't be grieving for the next 2 weeks. No. It's something that you do on your own time. Some people grieve for 10 years. Some people grieve all their lives. Okay, some people take 2 weeks and they're done grieving. So, it is a personal thing. And for me, to me, being here on this beach is absolutely a grieving moment for me, because I get to experience the same beach that we were at together as a couple in 2024, and now I'm here in 2026 without her, but we got our daughter with me, so I get to live that experience all over again, even if she's not here. But it is a beautiful thing, and I'm glad that I can do it.
Gotta get the sand off.
All right. And after this, we're gonna go do a boat cruise, and it would be a beautiful boat cruise. We did this last year as well. We're gonna do this every year, like I said. But life is good. Life is good. Regardless, stay hopeful, stay blessed, stay optimistic. Like I always say, no matter what you're going through, stay optimistic. Life could be dark sometimes. You could see some things that makes you want to give up on life. Don't give up on life, okay? And I also got her on my ring as well. I got a chain, I got a ring. Yo, she's in my heart, absolutely. But this is what we're doing. This is what life is about. Always remember the people that loved you, that you loved when they passed away. Always remember them. Always, okay? Always remember them. You're keeping their memories alive when you do things like this. So I'm gonna do this every year just to keep her memories alive, because I know she would love this. She would absolutely love this right here. And I feel blessed. All right, I feel blessed. It's time to go. Gotta go get dressed for the boat cruise. Probably gotta get something to eat as well. We're gonna get something to eat. But yeah, life is good. I'll see you on the boat cruise, okay? Or where we're gonna eat. All right? See you. Savannah boat cruise. Mama looking pretty. That's right. Yep. We are having a good time.
Yeah, we made it.
Yeah, we did. Yeah. I thought it was gonna leave us. The hell no. Yeah.
But those folks got their life and all the stuff. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They did that to me. And then I started.
Thank God I came in here. The girls, thank God they stopped and they came here.
Yeah, exactly.
Where they at?
They probably already.
Yeah, they thought they was gonna leave us. We said no, 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 no.
Who we with?
Hey. All right.
I got the tickets.
She got the tickets. She got the tickets. She got the tickets.
No, Precious gonna hold it.
So where your line y'all in?
You're good? Alright, so just come with me, guys.
Yeah, VIP stretch, baby girl. My family.
You have to send them to get their other tickets. Is that getting off?
Boo boo.
Yeah?
Say
We're going to be on
hey.
decks 3 or 4, okay?
Okay.
How are we doing?
You didn't gonna say hey to the camera?
I already said
You didn't say hey. You didn't say hey. Okay, I'll say hi.
All of us gonna get a picture. You need a picture? Yeah.
This is a video actually.
Hi guys, did you get our sunset tonight? We want a photo? Yes. Yes. All of us right around the very first ring for me, okay?
We got camera.
Tyler, we all together?
Yes, we
Okay,
are.
everyone right there behind that first ring for me.
Okay. Yes, we are on our way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Walking upstairs. Sunset boat cruise. Hopefully they like it. Cause I've been here, this is like my 3rd year. Hopefully they like it. And have a good time.
Okay, go ahead. Sorry about that. Okay, girl, I'm gonna look for you. Have fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome aboard. Y'all next 3 and 4? Yeah. All right. Have a good time. Okay, right through the double doors and up your stairs. Y'all enjoy.
Don't fall. Woo-wee. Hee-hee. All right. All right. All right. All right. Here we are. We are finally up here. Oh, they got one more floor. One more floor. Savannah Convention Center. And we are all the way up here. Yep. You tired, Ricky? Woo-wee. We go. Yeah, you can sit right here. Wherever you want to sit. You trying to buy some?
Oh no, no. I don't know what they're doing. Look at finger balloon.
Hey, right, remember? Yeah. Mac and cheese and fries. We got that from Chick-fil-A. Yes, we are finally up here. We got a gang back here, Bricky Brick. We got Mama right here looking pretty. And then who we got right here? We got Mrs. Auntie Fatty. We got that girl right there. She doesn't want to say hello to the camera, so we're not gonna pay attention. Yeah. Come right here. And we're gonna say, hey, look at that pretty auntie, Miss Casina. Who we are, what we got going? Because popcorn is not gonna do anything. But I feel like they have food though.
They do. I see some. They got some right there.
We can ask them what they got. Sir?
A drink.
Oh, they probably got it.
Where you got the food from?
They probably didn't get it.
Third floor. We gotta go down, third floor.
Yeah, though. We're gonna 2 birds, 1 stone right here. 2 birds, 1 stone right here.
Is that my baby?
Hello.
Hello.
You're talking to yourself.
Hello, man. Where can we get food?
We're good.
Where can we buy food?
Are you guys on lunch or dinner?
Upstairs.
Upstairs, it's on deck 3 as soon as you walk in. There's the concessions where the ice cream stand
Ice cream?
is. Yeah, where the ice cream stand is. You can order concessions
They have chicken and fried.
there.
Because the guy said the body from here down here. There was a guy who ate chicken and stuff.
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard the Georgia Queen. We are delighted to have you all on board this evening. I'm Richard, Assistant Captain Bradley.
And they have food up there.
To us here to realize the rest of the Georgia Queen crew. We're looking forward to
Can we explore the 3rd floor? Can we explore the 3rd floor?
You can explore the 3rd floor. We're gonna be up there. They said the food is actually here, upstairs. Yeah, long story. I don't know what they got.
So the food came without a thing?
No, the food didn't come with our thing. We have to buy the food.
There's plenty of seating throughout the boat as well. Make sure that you don't sit on the steps anywhere on the boat. Make sure those stay nice and clear for everyone moving back and forth between the decks. Passengers on deck 1, please take a moment, look back towards the bar. Look to your left, you'll see a hallway. The adult life preservers are located in that space. Deck 2, ladies and gentlemen, look back towards the bar. Look to your right, you'll see a large doorway. The adult life preservers are in that space. Deck 3, we have 2 sets of steps that lead up to deck 4. On either side of the deck, on the exterior decks, the adult life preservers are in that space. For those who travel here on the top deck 4,
Let's go this way. And when we're home, you want to talk to the camera. Now the camera is in front of you. You don't want to talk. Okay, well.
Lemonade one. It's always a good day, right?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah, not too bad.
We are still on the boat cruise. See how beautiful it is out here. So, okay. Just sitting here reminiscing about my baby. Life is lifing, but enjoy it. Just enjoy it. Enjoy every single day that you can. Man, I'm looking in there. Look at these people having a good time. Look at these people. So people are having a good time. My daughter is somewhere in there. Look, everybody's dancing. Look, everybody's dancing. Look, everybody's having a good time. My daughter is somewhere there. I don't even know where she is, but I know she's somewhere in there. But hey, that's what life is all about. Have fun as much as you can. Have fun as much as you can. You just never know when your time will be up, because your time will be up. But before then, just put a smile on your face, have a good time, and celebrate life. Go outside, dance to the music, fall in love, enjoy it, you know, enjoy it. Try as much as you can to enjoy this life. Just enjoy it, man. Enjoy it. I'm happy, I'm thankful. Everybody's having a good time. Having a good time. Having a good time. Just have a good time, man. Just have a good time. It will be over. Your life is going to be over. Regardless of what's going on with you, one day it's going to be over. And you are going to wish you had so much fun. So start having the fun right now. I promise you. Start having the fun right now. I'm on a boat cruise. And I'm thankful that I'm here. I'm thankful that I'm here. It's a blessing to be able to do what I'm doing right now. Not a lot of people can just go out and have a good time with their friends. Everybody's having so much good time. Look. Hey. Hey, they're having so much good time, man. I'm telling you. Precious, we're outside, we're right here. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Where are you at? The same spot where we were, like where we ate, on the window side, directly where we were eating. Yeah, just by the window right there. Right where we ate, where we just sat down. Alright. Yeah guys, hey, we're done and we will be on our way home. Look, everybody's having so much good time. Look at that, look at that, they're having so much good time. Okay, look at that. Hey. This is what life is about, man. Go out, man, have a good time. It's gonna be over, I promise you. It's gonna be over. But have a good time while you can. Angel, come in my video. Come in my video, Angel. Come in my video. Bring your pretty face and come in my video. Is your phone working now?
No, I'm on the phone.
You on the phone? Who you on the phone with? Casino?
Yeah.
She on the phone with Casino, man. Okay. Have a good time, man. Hey. She on the phone with Casino. Hey. I can't be interrupted. Okay? I can't be interrupted. Anyway, you guys have a good day. It's over. I'll probably continue this vlog tomorrow. But hey, I just want to show you people having a good time, man. Go have a good time. Go outside and have a good time. Look at her. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Get it. Get it. Hey, mama, let's go. Everybody's getting turned. I'm waiting for my beautiful daughter. And if you guys want to check this out, this is the Savannah. I'm in Savannah, Georgia right now. You guys can check out this boat cruise. It is absolutely amazing. And I promise you're gonna have a good time. You're gonna enjoy yourself. You're gonna smile. It's gonna be an awesome experience. My daughter's coming out of that door right now. And here she goes. Boo boo! Boo boo! Bloomy!
Don't run though. Don't run. Let's sleep.
It's my sweet baby. Aw. You were looking for me?
Yeah.
Give me a hug. I love you, baby.
Monkey, we're actually here.
We are.
Look at that.
Look at that. Are you having fun?
How are we gonna get across?
No, we're not gonna go across. We're gonna go back down there to leave the boat. You talking about how we're gonna leave the boat?
This
Yeah.
in the ocean is pitch black. Dark. Deep ocean.
Did you have fun?
We walk.
I did have fun. You see, I'm sweating. I want to be a little party.
So how would you rate this whole experience? So
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yes.
How would you rate this experience, baby? 10 out of 10. Okay, Mama, how would you rate this experience?
I would rate this experience a 10 out of 10. I had such a lovely time.
There you have it. Bricky.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Hey, you ain't got no choice anyway. 10 out of 10, baby. Yeah, she ain't got.
9.9.
Hey. Yeah,
No, I enjoyed myself. It was just the burger.
the burger wasn't done
yeah.
properly.
What was that?
It was
It
just
was, it was on. It wasn't medium there. It was only cooked on the outside.
Yeah, it was like they just
What, you had blood in it?
flipped it. Yeah, basically.
I mean,
Might as well.
I mean, it was only the outside layer cooked.
Oh my goodness.
The rest
Don't
is
try the
good.
burgers.
Don't try the burgers, okay. Because you're gonna get sick.
But the experiences was great.
The experience was good.
They had a party.
But Brookie ate all the burger though.
Did you ate your burger?
Yeah, Brookie didn't leave nothing turned
That's
up.
what's done,
She ate everything.
Because I don't know. Mine won't.
Mine fries
Shit.
was good. My fries was
Fries?
Your fries was good? I think it was too salty though.
Yes,
Yeah,
it
the chicken was like, the
Yeah.
chicken was,
And,
Chicken looks
good.
good.
and I like the barbecue sauce.
yeah. Was it a little spicy?
Hello.
Yeah, it was a little
Hello?
spicy.
Yeah,
I
the
thought
It
color-
was
no
still
salt.
good though, even it was salty.
It was salty, but it was still good?
Yes.
Love fries.
Okay. Well,
I
anyway,
love all types of fries.
we are
We,
done.
No, Chris said we need a good
Don't drop
picture.
that. Don't drop that
Uh-oh.
thing, Daddy.
He's not. He got it.
Daddy, pull it back.
you gotta
Pull
pay
it
for that.
back. Daddy.
I was trying to get a picture of all of us. You can get in it. Do you need to get pictures?
Hello. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they say get off the boat.
Oh, yeah.
Give us time, honey.
What time is it?
That doesn't make it better. What? I said focus. Walking down the steps, there's a lot of people.
Everybody trying to get out.